Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from allbiz.com. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to allbiz.com website, scroll to the bottom, and click the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information link. A Remove Your Record form will open. Enter your email, check the agreement box, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Begin Removal Process. To opt out of allbiz.com, search for your information by entering your first and last name or business name in the search field. Select your state from the drop-down and click the magnifying glass icon to start. Search results will appear. Locate your record and click on your name or business. A new web page with details will load. Look for the red Remove Business button and click it. A message will appear on the screen confirming that an email verification has been sent to the address provided in Step 2. Check your email from All Biz and click Submit Removal to confirm your email and opt-out request. You'll see a confirmation of your successful verification and opt-out request, and your information will be removed from allbiz.com. Congratulations on opting out of allbiz.com. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.